Okay, in this video I'm taking a look at this that we kindly sent by a brand called, I think you pronounce it Voerjia. Sorry if I got it wrong. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce it, but it's something like Voerjia. Anyway, we kindly sent it to take a look at it, so thank you so much for that. Basically, it's a drill and screwdriver set, if you couldn't guess by the box. Various drill pieces. There's even more plugs. Right, I'm not a DIY person, I'll put that out there now. I'm not quite sure what that's called. I'm sure you guys who know a bit of DIY will know what that's called. So you seem to have 3 of those. Wow, okay. Impressively, we've got 2 batteries, which is really handy. Of course, the power adapter, and then the drill and screwdriver itself. Let's just get that out of the way for now. Okay, so first impressions, it's actually lighter and smaller than what I first thought it was going to be once I opened that box there. I do have another drill, and that is bigger. Doesn't necessarily, bigger doesn't always necessarily mean better. Sometimes best things come in small packages.
That's what she said.
So it's definitely sort of very ergonomical, very good to hold, very comfortable. Once I have overly large hands, definitely not small, but definitely very comfortable in my hand there. And like I say, without the battery, it's very comfortable. Just like your various settings on the top there, if you want to do any drill. Okay, so it's a 21 volts brushless battery drill with 2 batteries, which is 2000 amps each. It's a 20+3 torque electric drill, 3 1/8" chuck, which I think is plus for those. 3 8" chucks, is it? 65 N.M max hammer drill, 2-speed LED drill set, and it's got 46 pieces for the DIY. So I think all them. So in the bag here we have various attachments. I'm assuming that's an extension. Correct me if I'm wrong, leave it in the comments, but I'm sure it's kind of an extension. So your various sort of connections here that you'd have in a socket set. All your screwdriver attachments. And then all your various drill bits. So as you can see, you got all the bits for any kind of DIY project you have around the home. The drill, screwdrivers, extensions, you name it, it's all there. One thing I would say though is all these drill bits, it'd be handy to have it in a little holder like that, like you do with the screwdriver bits, just so it's all sort of organised. That's just me. So of course you've got the forward gear and the reverse gear on the side there. And of course the safety lock. LED torch on the front there, so you can see it in the light. Okay, so it comes with a pure copper motor. It's got 800 watts high power. It's 2,600 RPM speed and 65 Nm powerful torque. It's got current protection, overcharge protection. It's got over discharge protection, short circuit protection, temperature protection, and overload protection. Motor cooling for strong heat dissipation function. It's got a bright LED so you'll work in the darkness. Okay, so it's easy to connect as the LED drill. I'll just push it in, unscrew, put your part in, and screw that in, and say you want to fill it. Put that in there. Of course you can, I think, put that directly in there. I'm just using it as an example. Okay, so now I feel like I need to screw something.
I'll go get you a coffee where you come in.
Yeah, just give me a sec. I gotta get changed.
Staying in a 92 square foot home is a great tool for Francis to make the transition into tiny living. It'll let him experience what it's like to dwell and go forward, and its feedback will help us make changes in design that will make it the perfect time home.
That's not like
Enough. I liked it up there.
it's some design block.
Yeah, one little way.
Just want to take this moment to say that you can actually now support me and my channel. You can join the YouTube membership program below, or you can become a Patreon, or you can just simply buy me a coffee. Thank you to my founding member that I have so far. He keeps changing his name, so I'm not sure what to call him or her. But if that is you, thank you so much for joining my membership, and hopefully many of you will follow. If you don't want to do any of that, just give me a simple thumbs up or subscribe or just share the video. So of course the real question is, how much is this drill screwdriver set? Well, at the moment on Amazon it's $59.99 with a 20% off voucher as well, so you can get it that little bit more cheaper, which is, I don't know, £6 off I suppose. Comes with various attachments, new version screws, 2 batteries, charger and a case. Okay, so this brings you to the conclusion of the video. What do I think? Well, at the moment the price is $59.99 with a 20% off voucher on Amazon, so it brings it to just over 50 quid. You've got 2 batteries, carry case and all these attachments with a rotational speed of 2600 RPM, 21 volts, 23 amps. Like I say, if you're disabled, because it's light, it's handy to do the light jobs around the house, not having to hold up a heavy drill. So based on all that, I definitely recommend it. For the price, for everything you get, it's definitely worth it for jobs around the house. I just want to thank you all for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you've got some value from it or some kind of entertainment. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this, and make sure you leave a comment below if you've got any questions. That's all for now. I'll see you all in this next video. See you soon.